If you can tell me who you are and what you're about, and you can tell me what you want to do and where you're headed, that's huge right now.
Hello guys, thank you guys for coming. We're gonna get started here. My name is Alexandra and I'm president this year for LIA here at Granger. Today we have a very special guest. We have the founder and CEO of Latinos in Action, Dr. Jose Enriquez. So can you guys give him a round of applause?
One more big round of applause for your leadership here, Latinos Action G House, right? Gracias, chicos. Thank you. Thank you very much. I travel this country a lot, all these different states. I see a lot of need, and the adults, siempre, they hit me up and they're like, mira, it's waiting for people who's gonna step up, make things happen, and who can stand in front of anybody at any point, at any time, any room, anywhere you go, and articulate what you're thinking. That type of person, I will hire in a second. But I need leadership. I need you to think. I need you to create. I need you to do that homework. I need you to study. These young kids, they look at you and they're like, I want to be like him. They're looking to you to create and see. So what that means is that we have to set the standard. We have to set that banner up and say, how are we going to do this?